In this short video, we will explain the details of a call for funding to support no-fee open access publishing in Africa. The call is part of the project Strengthening No-Fee Open Access Publishing in Africa. The goal of this call is to support the quality, strength, and sustainability of no-fee open access publishing in Africa. This publishing model is also known as Diamond Open Access. We are inviting African organizations that publish open access journals which do not charge any fees to authors or readers to submit proposals for funding. The organization submitting a proposal must be a legal entity, such as university, research institute, learned or academic society or other public non-profit institution registered in Africa that owns one or more Diamond OA journals or manages a platform that hosts Diamond OA journals. The journals must have editorial teams based in Africa. An organization may submit only one proposal. This proposal may cover a single Diamond Open Access journal, or multiple Diamond Open Access journals, or a platform hosting Diamond Open Access journals. The organization must demonstrate that co-funding will be provided during project implementation. This can include existing financial contributions, like journal operating expenses, and in-kind contributions. The organization's contribution must be clearly outlined in the project budget. The organization applying should also demonstrate the ability to sustain a Diamond OA model when the project funding ends. Applicants are required to provide information about the sustainability plan and a letter signed by the head of the applying organization confirming that funding for recurrent costs will be sustained beyond the project's end. Activities eligible for funding include strengthening editorial practices, open science, technical infrastructure, visibility, sustainability, and partnerships. Certain costs are not eligible for funding. Please refer to the call documentation to learn more about eligible activities and non-eligible costs. If you are applying for a single journal, the funding cap is $20,000. If you are applying for multiple journals or a platform, the funding cap is $30,000. The duration of the project should not exceed 12 months, starting from September 2025. The deadline for applications is the 6th of June 2025. To be eligible for funding, journals must have an ISSN or EIFL clearly displayed on their website that can be checked in the ISSN registry. Have published at least 5 articles per year in 2023 and 2024. Follow a regular publication schedule, either issue by issue or via continuous publication. Provide up-to-date information on their websites. Charge no fees to authors or readers for at least past 2 years and are operational at the time of application. Have a dedicated journal URL. Journals should also clearly present the journal's mission, aims, and scope, and accepted languages. Publish scholarly content and the criteria for acceptance of manuscripts should be defined and publicly available on the journal website. Have an editorial board with members from more than one institution, listed on the journal website and any platforms hosting the journal's content. Conduct independent peer review with at least 2 reviewers per submission. Have the information about the peer review process publicly displayed on the journal website. Provide clear author guidelines on the website. If you are applying as a platform hosting multiple Diamond Open Access journals, the following conditions apply. The platform must be managed by a non-profit entity. The platform should display its mission and scope. It must host scholarly journals, each with a unique landing page. Full-text articles must be freely available on the platform. It's acceptable if the platform hosts both Diamond journals and journals with APCs, but at least 2 journals must be Diamond OA journals. Follow these steps carefully to complete and submit your application for funding. Download the application form. The same form is used for journal and platform applications. Read instructions in the application form. Forms are available in English, French, and Portuguese. Applications can be submitted in any of these 3 languages. Sign the application form before submission. Download and complete the budget and work plan template, available in the same 3 languages. Attach a signed letter from the head of your organization confirming that future support will be provided for the journals. Fill out the online application form. Let's take a quick tour of the submission process. Applications must be submitted via the online submission system, which is available in English, French, and Portuguese. To submit a proposal, you'll need to create a user account. Provide your username. Email. Personal name. Name of your organization. Select Africa in the continent drop-down and EU country in the country drop-down. In this form, all fields are mandatory. Click Create New Account and be patient with reCAPTCHA. After registration, check your email to activate your account. You will be prompted to set a password for your account. If you need to change account details or the password, go to My Account and press Tab Edit. The information about the call can be found under Forms and Templates. On this page, you can find links to the call documentation, the online application form, and application form and budget templates in English, French, and Portuguese. Let's have a look at the application form. Download the template and fill it out. The application form must be signed by a legally authorized representative of your organization. Please note that this is usually not the journal editor. Let's have a look at the budget and work plan template. Along with spreadsheets for budget and the work plan, the template contains a budget example and a work plan example with comments and instructions. The complete application documentation must be submitted via the online application form. Please note that submissions coming through other channels will not be taken into consideration. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. All mandatory fields must be completed before submission. Provide the official name of your organization in the organizational information block. Choose the country from the drop-down list. Emails should be in the proper format and URLs should include HTTP or HTTPS. The project primary contact person should be someone who can respond promptly to requests, using an email address they check regularly. Provide information about the journal or journals your project focuses on. Use the Add Another Item button to add more journals. For journal applications, all journals must be published by your organization. Use the full name of the journal as it appears in the ISSN registry. If the journal is available on multiple online venues, for example on its website and on a university or continental platform, provide all relevant URLs. The ISSN should be verifiable in the ISSN registry. If available, provide both ISSN and EIFL in the same form field, separated by semicolon. Indicate the date when your journal adopted the Diamond Open Access model. Please note that it must be operational as a Diamond OA journal for at least 2 years, starting from 2023, in order to be considered eligible for support. The next block is journal platform hosting information. It should be filled out only if your project seeks to improve a platform hosting multiple journals. We are now submitting a journal application and we will skip this block. Provide the total of requested funds and the total of your organization's contribution. Please follow the number formatting instructions in the application form. You don't need to complete the form all at once. You can save your work by choosing Save for editing and Continue later. The saved form can be found under My Submissions, Applications saved for editing. Let's complete the application. Open the saved application and then choose Tab Edit to open the application form. Review the data in the form, add missing information. To complete the application, we should attach the signed project application form, the budget and the work plan, and the signed letter by the head of the applying organization. The information about the allowed file formats and sizes is provided in the application form. Don't forget to click the Upload button after choosing the file. Don't move away from the form while the files are uploading. Check everything once again and we are ready to submit. Choose Submit Application and click Save. Don't move away from the form. This step can take some time, depending on your connectivity. We are redirected to the My Submissions page and we can see that the application is submitted. After this, no edits are allowed. The project team will review the application and provide feedback. If you have accidentally submitted incomplete application or encountered any technical issues, contact us at oa@eifl.net. Let's explain how to submit a platform application. We will use the same application form and templates. The fields that should be filled out only for platform applications are clearly indicated both in the online form and in the templates. We recommend including the name of the platform in your proposal title. Provide the organization name, country, and website and contact information. Let's explain the main difference between journal and platform applications. In platform applications, where the project focuses on a platform hosting multiple journals that are not necessarily published by the same institution, applicants should fill out the journal hosting platform information block. Provide the name of the platform as it is indicated on its website and a valid URL. Indicate the number of Diamond OA journals hosted on the platform. For the application to be eligible, at least 2 journals must meet the eligibility criteria for journals. You should provide information about these journals in the General Journal Information block. Under Journal Website URL, provide the URL of the journal on the platform, along with any other relevant URLs where the journal can be accessed. The information provided about journals should be verifiable on the platform. We will now add another journal. Please note that all journals included in the application must meet all eligibility criteria for journals. The remaining steps are the same as in the journal application. Provide the budget information. Attach and upload the required documents. Check the information once again and submit. The submitted application will be visible under My Submissions. Detailed information about the call is provided on EIFL's website. Scan the QR code to access it. This is the second of 2 calls within the project Strengthening No-Fee Open Access Publishing in Africa. In the first call, 17 projects were supported. Scan the QR code to learn more about supported projects.